everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of crispy onion fritters, and for that we need onion, green chili, mint, curry leaf and cilantro. I'm using this paralyzer to finely chop the onion. You can cut if you want. So after finely chopped onions, add mint, add cilantro, means dhania, then add some curry leaves and some finely chopped green chilies. Those are optional if you want to add a chili, or you can skip that, and then mix everything together. And now I'm adding the dry spices, which is salt, red chili, crushed pepper, cumin powder and a whole coriander. Mix all spices and then add ground flour, mean besan, and then mix the besan well with the onion and spices. Make sure that's how it looks after mix, and let's fry them. So I'm taking one by one, and be careful, don't burn yourself, and cook on medium to low flame. Do not burn them, and when it's turned golden brown and you see it like it's cooked from the both sides, then take out. So there you go, it's ready to eat. You can serve with your choice of sauce. I'm serving with the green sauce, and that's a green chili sauce. I will give the recipe if you want, and you can enjoy with the roti and have some mint lassi, which is a mint refresher. I will share this recipe soon, the mint refresher and the green chili sauce. I hope you all like this quick recipe of onion fritters, and if you have any question, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so much for watching.